Welcome to another series of the dumb things Daddy will do for content. Welcome to the channel. There's no fishing today. We're at Montville for a day trip. Come and join us.
That'll charge a fortune. You'll pay like $2 or $3 to take money out of that.
We're here for a day at Montville. No fishing today, but still clear sky, nice day trip up here. About an hour and 40 minutes drive from Brisbane. It's just something different for a change.
She wasted it. You want to start eating it? No, I did.
I want to get one of those and maybe like 2 sour straws.
Well, we might see you soon. Yeah.
I love them. Oh, these.
Watch out.
We're now at Gardners Waterfalls, and it's a beautiful weather, beautiful water, and we took a lot of pictures.
Does that work?
I think it's really cold, but it's also kind of refreshing, and it's really slippery.
Sorry, mate.
Yeah, it is. I actually do.
This is the you know we're on about what you want to make that for.
This is our last stop for today. As you can see, we're looking out to Glasshouse Mountain. Imagine if we're staying here and waking up to this view every morning. That would be pretty fantastic, isn't it? Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe, and we're back to fishing program next video, hopefully. Signing out from Maleny. It's TimWanderer. Bye.
And my mum had to run to get shoes for her.
Alright, that was done.
Dum, dum, dum.